Hi everybody, my Porsche Designs unboxing. This is a Porsche Designs P6000. Nice cardboard outside case. Nicely made. Nice wood case. Here's the watch right over here. And of course I had to go play around with it and get it started. Because yeah, I just couldn't help myself. Nice wood box. Under here, there's all of the paperwork. This is a flat 6. If I'm not mistaken, this is an old model, but still a great watch if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's put all this aside. Wow. Let's go take off all the little fingerprints all over. Wow. It's a carbon fiber dial. It's water resistant to 100 meters if I'm not mistaken. 10 ATM. Swiss made. If I'm not mistaken, there's a ETA movement inside because Porsche Designs was made by Eterna at this time still. This bracelet is very unique. Let's wipe off all my fingerprints. Instead of either flat, it's more recessed in the middle, which is great. Let's go wipe off the other side. Since my hands is oily, didn't really wash my hands. There's a great clasp. Has a rear window, but it looks like it's tinted. I don't know if you guys can see. There's the Porsche Designs logo on the crown. I know it's a screw down crown, which is great, even though if it doesn't have a high water resistancy. Has hacking. Can change the time around. The other one's for the date. This is charging the internal mechanisms, the hand winding part. So yeah, I already played around with this watch before doing this video so I could get some knowledge about it, rather than the oh. So here's a great watch. Great price I paid for it. Forget how much I paid for it. Everything about this watch is very similar to all my others, with a great twist. I guess it's just the opposite. Because the only thing that's similar is a black dial, but this is carbon fiber. Usually I have stainless steel bracelet, stainless steel case without the PVD coating. All black is not my cup of tea, but it was for a great price. As you can tell, on the bracelet has screws screwed down. On the end links is solid. I don't know if you can see. Has those screws that hold it down. And I forget if it has anything else under there. But this watch is made extremely well. Um, I do like how the doesn't have every single number on there. The 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That didn't bother me. It's more of a design that I don't mind. I don't like to have every single numeral for each one. I think almost all my watches don't have every single hour marker, because you really don't need it. You already can tell about what time it is when you look down, glance down at your watch. Let's see this thing on. And it feels great. I went as far as sizing this already for myself, because I was way too I was like a kid on Christmas morning. I just had to do everything right away, basically, because even though if I have some decent watches, this is a lot better made than all of them that I have so far. I think this is a keeper. Well, I already knew that this is a keeper once I opened the box and started to look at how well this is made and how this is. It's not a diver. It's more of a dress watch. I do like this function that it has a screw down crown, because all my other dress watches that I do own, they don't have screw down crowns. Has sapphire crystal front and rear, supposed to be. And as I said, that crystal on the back is very different. It's like a tinted version, which is great. Something different, even though you can't see right inside. But on the other hand, who likes to have normal? Who likes to have what everybody else is wearing? That's why I like this watch. So far, I only live in Hawaii, so I do know that we have a Porsche design store in Hawaii. I actually go there quite frequently here and there. I do own many of their shoes so far, but this is not a shoe, this is a watch. So can tell that it has a great movement inside. If I'm not mistaken, it's an ETA 2824, if I'm not mistaken. But rather one of my favorite timepieces right now. Well, have a good day. Thank you for watching. So Porsche Designs was founded in 1972. The Eternal brand was founded in 1904, and the Eterna was known for the Eternamatic, which was in 1942, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around there. So Porsche Designs was known for their PVD coating, which is this black coating. So Porsche Designs is actually a pretty good brand, if I'm not mistaken. Well, especially with the screw-down crown, which is almost flush with the case. This is a great feature. It's hard to get snagged upon anything. As you see, with the crown all the way out, it stops the second hand, so it's hacking. Push it all the way in and start screwing it in. Once it's all screwed in, it's almost flush. As you see here, so far I haven't come across any watches that's like that. So I don't know if that's well, to me that's a unique feature. I don't know. I haven't come across many different designs yet, but to me that's a great feature. The only drawback is the bracelet. It's not so pliable like I'm used to with many other brands. Today I decided to wear my Jacques Le Mans limited edition. The Jacques Le Mans is a 40mm case. You can tell that the Porsche Designs is a little bit larger. Okay, wait a second, let me try to get my tool. I'm back. Let's go measure this case up. It's a 43mm case. With the crown comes out to almost 45. Lug to lug. Comes out to be a whopping 51.1. How tall it is. It's only 11.4, which isn't a very tall watch, which is great. So it can actually go under many things. It is like a dress watch. Well, it's not a diver, especially at only 100 meters. Although it has a screw-down crown. Wears nicely for a little bit larger watch. I don't have a huge wrist. Although I like larger watches, this is one of them I really like and enjoy wearing right now, especially if it's a new watch. Well, anyway, I can foresee myself wanting to wear this for a long time. Let's turn off this light and see what the lume is. It has some decent lume on there, which isn't spectacular, but nonetheless, it will do its job. Thank you for watching.